Hi, my name is Praful Saxena and I am a BTech mechanical engineer passed out in 2015 from UPTU and in 2015 I've started my professional career, and later on I've joined NCC Limited in 2018, and thereon I got to know about the software testing course, and one of my relative recommended for the software testing course and also recommended for the Knowledgenic to join as a manual tested course. And I've joined Knowledgenic for the QA testing, and my trainer Mr. Rajan sir helped me a lot in understanding all the tools and techniques which are used in software testing. Also they helped me in clearing all my doubts. Thank you.